Welcome to Always Dolls and thanks for joining us. Today we share a quicker craft showing how to make your dolls a packet of Pita chips. These chips are inspired by the snacks from American Girl's coffee shop set. Shout out to Lola Warren and Laura Paul for requesting this food craft. Hit the like button if you enjoy this video and subscribe to support our channel. So, let's get making! For size reference, we have in our collection the chips from Julie's school lunch set. The cluster measures about 4 centimeters across and 5 centimeters long. To make the chips, we recycled this lasagna box since the inside card is an off-white color, and a hole punch. You will need 2 circle cutouts per chip, so punch 18 in total. Next, draw curved lines lightly in pencil to make the circle cutout into an oval shape. Trim away the excess paperboard and trace your template onto 8 more punched circles. Glue your oval wrong sides together with a circle cutout, then cut off the excess paperboard again. Repeat this step for all 9 chips. You can leave them individual or cluster them like Julie's chips. Start by overlapping 4 chips together. Note how this grouping of chips is gently curved. Use your thumb to press a dip into the 5th chip before adhering to the cluster. Now place them over but not completely covering the 2 base chips seen screen right. Generously cover a chip with liquid glue as this will secure the fan cluster to the base chips. Then position the last chip on an angle to finish the stack. They look just like AG's version. While the glue dries, let's make the packaging. For this, we went to American Girl's website and screenshot their accessories overview picture. Drop into MS Paint to crop out just the Pita chip image. This is easy to do as the chip packets are photographed front-facing and positioned relatively straight. Copy and paste into MS Word, then resize the image to be slightly bigger than our chips. For us, that was 5 by 6.5 centimeters. Print out. To bring back the vibrancy of the text, go over the letters with a white gel pen. For these tasks, we like using Uniball's Signo range of gel pens as the ink is opaque and comes out even and smooth. Following this, cut out 2 printed images per packet of chips. Then carefully cut away the center to remove the chip graphic and create an open window. Cut a long length of clear packaging tape and lay your image good side down into it. Leave a small amount of tape overhanging the edge of your paper. Place your second image flush up against the first, ensuring the bottoms meet. Put more clear packing tape over the window in each image so there is no exposed adhesive. Pop your chips inside and fold the packet up using the extra tape at the top to seal it. Use more tape to close the left and right sides. Great! Your Pita chips are ready for sale at the coffee shop. We'd love it if you hit that like button, left a comment, subscribed and turned on the bell. Thanks so much for watching and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun.